Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back my YouTube channel Easy Craft Video. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about centerpieces of Merry Christmas. Here are some amazing beautiful centerpieces of Merry Christmas. Beautiful idea, beautiful decoration centerpieces. As you know that without decorations, Merry Christmas so incomplete. So guys, I collect beautiful idea for my viewers. So thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel. In these collections, 50 plus unique idea for that recreate and transfer your beautiful house, beautiful centerpieces, fresh centerpieces designed for my viewers. Beautiful idea, beautiful creativity. These bunch decorations ideas so attractive, so stylish, so amazing, are looking beautiful. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel and give more idea about how to create and how to transfer your house on the days of Merry Christmas 2025. How to decorate your house with a beautiful way on the days of Merry Christmas. I give beautiful and simple designs for your celebrations, and centerpieces look so attractive. All the designs are very unique and trending. All our modern way to celebrate your festival 2025. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you love the designs of creativity. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then please ask me in comment box. Please watch this video to end. If you have any question about my YouTube, then please comment box. This looks so attractive, so stylish, so amazing. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you love the designs of creativity and beautiful creative ideas. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video till the end. Centerpieces look so attractive, so stylish, enhance the beauty of your table decoration, home decorations, and these decoration pieces so attractive. Thank you so much.